guys, so today I'm going to be trying to follow a Jackie Aina makeup tutorial. I'm pretty excited and I love Jackie Aina, I love her videos, so when I saw this started going around, I knew she was definitely like the first person I wanted to try to recreate one of her looks, because they're super bold. Whenever she does color, they're just super bold, and I love that she uses colored lip and colored lids, because I am scared to do that, so I just love looking at her do it and just pull it off so nicely. So today we're going to be trying out one of her looks, and I'm just going to use my phone to look at the video while I do my makeup. We're going to be doing Get in Glam for No Reason makeup tutorial, which is this one here. I did actually try these Olay wipes after she recommended them, and I do like them. So
okay, now we're gonna get this base popping. I'm gonna use something full spackle coverage. This is the Danessa Myricks Vision Cream Cover.
Alright, so I don't have that foundation, but I'm gonna use a full cover foundation that I do own. I'm gonna use the Maybelline.
This is like full coverage. It's like as close to a pure pigment as it gets. I'm starting off with about 1.5 pumps, and I think I'll be Gucci with just that. The product spreads out really nicely. You don't need a whole bunch.
I do want to get my hands on the Danessa Myricks foundation though, because I probably will love it, and I usually wear the same shade with Jackie, so it'll be easy to get my shade. Don't mind this looking kind of oompa loompa-ish. It kind of warms up to my skin eventually, you know. I'm gonna add a little bit of this foundation to make it extra full coverage, because the other one, the one that she used, is super full cover. I just want to make mine super full cover. My instincts literally just went for the sponge for foundation, but I do have this brush, you know, I could just kind of go like that, you know.
I'm going to contour using the Radiant Creamy Concealer from NARS.
Okay, so she's gonna contour. Ooh, what's going on here? So I'm gonna use the same concealer. I have the shade Dark 2 Cocoa. I'm gonna go down here and wait, what was it? Like that? Oh, okay. Okay, Miss Jackie.
For under my eyes, I'm going to double conceal, first using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the color Deep Golden, and then I'm going to take NYX's HD Concealer in the color Nutmeg.
So she's mixing ColourPop and NYX. I don't have ColourPop and I don't have NYX either. I do have NYX, but I don't know where it's at. So I'm going to use a ColourPop dupe. So I'm going to use a ColourPop dupe, which is Kylie Concealer, which everyone says. She did whip this one out as a NYX dupe, the Smashbox Studio Skin. Mine is like barely surviving right now. So I'm going to see if I have anything left in here and try to, you know, get some product out of there. Oh, I do have some stuff back left in there. Going pretty far out, but my face is wide. Her face is very slim, so I'm not going to go that far out. I'm going to go right here. Now, Miss Jackie, what did you do with the other concealer? Girl, I don't know what happened with this concealer. Okay, so we're just going to add this one in. I don't know what you did with it. I'm going to use this brush to blend out my contour.
Then I like to blend my contour out first with a brush, and then I booty blend the concealer and everything up later after that. I just like using a brush first. You hear my neighbors?
I like this method. It kind of like pushes up my cheekbones. I do have, you know, pretty high cheekbones, which although right now I'm a little husky, so they're covered, but I do have naturally high cheekbones. Like, stupid phone. I can't have, like, having to look at your phone to open it, it gets annoying. Because in the past, I could just put my finger on there and it would open. And this.
As I'm blending out my concealer, I'm going to go up and around into my eyelid to prep the lids for the shadows we're going to be adding later. Another product from Danessa, her Evolution Powder. This is in the color number 2. It's like a off beigey color. So as you can see, it looks like that. And I'm going to use that to set under eye and the middle of the face.
So I'm going to use this Too Faced one because I don't have that powder.
And then go right in. You don't want to add too much powder though, because you don't want it to get stuck and then it'll get really hard to remove later. Powders are so creamy and so soft. Do the clown face. Get them smile lines.
Okay, I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this powder just because I don't like to use a lighter powder near my mouth.
We rebuked them in 2018. You know, that just keeps the makeup from settling inside those smile lines. Because, you know, life is good and some of us just be smiling a lot more than the average person. I'm using it. It's the Natasha Denona Lila palette. Lila? Girl, where you at? Which one? This has plenty of...
So she's using the Natasha Denona palette, which I do not own. And it looks so gorgeous, so I want it. So I have this baby Natasha Denona palette, and I think the color is pretty much the same. This one right here, it looks very similar.
Here, so this color we're gonna sweep into our crease. All you need is literally to tap in because the pigment is out of this world, but honestly, it's what my chocolate skin needs. Look, I can appreciate the richness of the colors. Now, in order to gain more control of those colors, I'm tapping the color on first and then sweeping just a little bit though. Don't get too carried away now. So much color, so much pigment.
Use this MAC paint pot
and basically just sweep that over the lid because you know sometimes them crease colors can kind of take.
Now I don't have this shade in eyeshadow form, but I do have this pencil which is kind of similar, so I'm gonna take that one, see what it looks like.
The shade from the palette is almost perfect because it's like a blue tone purple. I'm gonna pop that right onto the look at the color.
All right, so I'm gonna use this purple shade because it's as close as I have.
Look at the color. Susan! To die for. Do people realize that was like one swipe though? And crease, she's real cute. Let's take her and a pencil brush.
So I also needed a pink shade. So for pink, I'm gonna go into this palette. This is a old Too Faced palette, the Pretty Rebel palette of this color.
I feel like my bottom lash line colors literally is my life. They just get lost into my eyelashes. Like I feel like you can't even
take the other shade and put it right under.
And the purple is surrounded with that pinkier fuchsia color, so go around it on the outer corners. And then I'm gonna blend it into my outer corner. Using just a hint of this color from the palette, I am blending that into the outer V. I'm obsessed with these Silk Kiss Me liners from L'Oreal. This one is in the color Plum. Okay, it's not purple, it's more like a blue, and that is not an ashy hand. That's my translucent powder.
I use this one.
Off the look, we need a tear duct color. I'm gonna use this one from the palette. This is so pretty. I love purple. Purple is just so pretty. So for the purposes of the original look, I don't have any big glittery sparkles for this look, but I do have the Cover FX glitter drops. These look freaking amazing. I swatched them and I was like, ooh! I'm gonna be dabbing that on sporadically throughout the eye. This just makes dealing with glitter so much more controllable. Now Lindy added sparkle all the way up like into the crease, so guess what we're gonna be doing? Okay, so I'm gonna take my Milani, what's this? This is a powder. It's their pressed powder in the color Earth Glow. I'm gonna be using it as a bronzer. Skin's looking wonderful, just wonderful. Hello, these look stunning. This is a new launch from Becca. The color is Smoky Quartz. It's one of their newest shimmering skin perfectors. I don't want a ton of glow because I don't want anything taking away from the eyes today. Largest part of my face, why not? Why not? Okay, I'm gonna try a little bit of the glitter drops in the highlight. Wish me luck. I have no clue what to expect, to be honest. I'm gonna first line my lips with Get Lucky from NARS. The Anastasia Raisin Gloss. I just want the focus to be on the eyes. Stunning color. Absolutely stunning. All right guys, so that is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed this fun, colorful tutorial because I know y'all like to drag beauty gurus for being too neutral all the time. So this is the finished look. I actually really like it. I would do the eye look, but I would never pair it with this. Let's try this again. We're just gonna hide our hands. This is the look. I'm gonna keep this on because I feel like it kind of, you know, matches, you know, and my hair is also like crazy looking, so you know. Yeah, I love it. Let me know what you thought below in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video.